About this item: RCA to HDMI converter. This RCA to HDMI can convert analog RCA composite input to HDMI 720p/1080p, 60 Hz, output. You can watch old equipment sources on smart TV, which can bring back your childhood memories. Long RCA and HDMI cable: 100 cm RCA male cable and 100 cm HDMI cable. No need to buy extra cable, more convenient to use. Certainly the HDMI cable is detachable, you can use it at other devices as you like. Plug and play. ABLEWE AV to HDMI converter. No need any drivers, just plug to play. Please remember to hook up the USB power cable, included, to 5V power source to make it work. You can get it to work within minutes. Wide compatibility. This RCA to HDMI converter supports source formats of PAL, NTSC 3, 58, NTSC 4, 43, SECOM, PAL/M, PAL/N. Standard TV. Provide advanced signal processing with great precision, colors, resolutions, and details. Attention and package: please ensure to connect this RCA to HDMI converter to power source to make it work. Package include one RCA to HDMI converter, with RCA cable, one HDMI cable, one USB power cable, adapter not included, one user manual in the description. To get this product.